Guys, first of all, please like and subscribe and help grow our channel. This is Bird Dog Productions, and today we're going to be looking at some footage I took yesterday from a skeet tournament. It's the 6th annual skeet tournament for our area. It's just a lot of local guys, a lot of friends. It's just, you know, this time of year, we're in North Alabama. It's late August, about to be early September, and we're all super excited for the upcoming goose, dove, and teal seasons. So a way to kind of break the tension on, you know, just getting ready to get out there and get after some birds is to get together and do a little skeet shooting. And it's just good, friendly competition, and we always have a little bit of a pot. So, you know, a little bit of prize money, a whole lot of fun. So y'all stay with us. I hope you enjoy the footage.
What you doing?
Hey buddy, what are you doing?
How are you doing?
I'm interviewing. Doing interviews on school.
Yeah, it's going on the news.
Okay, cool.
Matt's in his muscle shirt. And
Go get those guys.
Hey!
What you filming for?
What's up, dude? What are you putting it on?
I don't know.
Yeah, go get the girls. Go get the girls. Yeah, go get the girls.
Okay,
Yeah, you gotta go in and interview the girls. Go ask them questions.
Okay, you little
Y'all got everybody but
It died.
That's alright. No, it's still blanket.
Alright, it's a little bit different this year. So years past, the way that's been, you've done double elimination and you stepped up the line facing somebody. This year we try to go a little bit less competitive, I guess. It's instead of doing it like a normal skeet shoot, you get 100 birds in 10 separate rounds, and whoever has the most birds wins. I think we ended up getting 15 teams, so we probably paid out 2 spots. We'll look at that again, check the numbers. But just some of the simple rules as far as no shouldering before the skeet thrown. If you can have it here, you know, don't have it here, and then shoulder. No pickups to the tournament.
Hard leave.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. 2 base up. Open actions. The reason we have that gun thing over there, it's just to try to be safer. I know it's not like an official skeet tournament, you take your own gun back, but we like when everybody's got a couple of beers, so just keep that to a minimum, but do try to be safe. We got kids, all that good stuff around.
You reckon that's what
Yeah, I'm totally part of that. Keep your actions open when you get off the line. Put your gun back in your spot. Somebody didn't have, I don't know, I think it was a Browning bottomland. They had their gun. And it's not a big deal.
It was me.
Okay, yeah, you set it up here.
Yeah, I put it up on
Yeah, well, you got it fixed. Just make sure the numbers the ladies gave you, put them back on that spot. Again, so if somebody's gun, you know, comes up missing. Sir? Yeah, no, open up. Don't use my low. I'll give you the hard face. Yeah, we did. Walking around, keep them open. You got your over and under over there. You put them on, put them up there. No shouldering. 2 shots per person. Don't have more than 3 in your gun. You step up the line, you know, asking for that third one to come and DQ that throw. You shoot 3 times. Misfire. If you shoot and it goes click, make sure you show us the primer so that we can tell if there's an indentation in it. If it's a dry fire, it's your fault. It's a misfire. So if you click, you rack it out, and there's no shell in it, that's your fault. If you go click, you rack it out and show us that there's a dent in your primer, so we know it's a shell spot. So we'll go ahead and throw it again. Clay pigeon. If it breaks out of the thrower, no matter what, it's a rethrow. Last year we had issues. Birds would break out of the thrower, and people would shoot at the fragments, and they would break. They'd say it's a hit, or they wouldn't shoot because it fell. If it breaks, it's a rethrow, no matter what. We're going to end up getting in the final round. It'll end up being, I think, 2 birds this way, 1 bird this way. It'll be 3. So if you've already told, if I've told Matt hey Matt, I'm gonna kill these 2 birds here. You just make sure you kill the crossing bird. If his breaks and I boom boom kill mine, we're still rethrowing. It doesn't matter, just because don't want any of that confusion. That's about it on the rules. As far as the rounds go, it's gonna be easier to learn as we go, but I'll kind of go over it as quick as I can. Round 1, it'll be like 10 singles going away. You and your partner set up 2 shells. It's kind of like an intermediate round, get you warmed up. 2, 5 doubles going away. 3 will be 10 singles crossing from that bird. You still got 4 shells the whole time. 5 doubles crossing. 10 singles from 45 from the right. So we'll have a bird set up from over here, changing it up. 5 doubles, 45 from the right, and a left cross. I'll be timed good. When you say pull, throwers are gonna pull. 5 doubles, I said 45 right, left cross. 10 singles from 45 left, 5 doubles from 45 left, and 1 going away. And then the last one is 4 triples, 2 away, and 1 cross. Something like that. And that might sound like a lot to take in right now, but we're just gonna go back and forth every round. And we've already generated the who goes first. Keep it fair. I did 15 teams. I random generated on my phone. Whatever number pulled up with your gun, who goes first. So watch this first out. You're gonna break the ice. And then you'll know what to do from there.
Why they hate on me? Why they hate on me? Why they hate on me? Why they hate on me?
high or low?
Roll with that.
Low?
Matt, give me some skeet.
Anyway, I'm shooting my both. If I hit mine, I'm shooting at yours.
Okay.
Save for you if you shoot. You hit yours, you shoot at mine.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Money down there. Yeah. 3 for 2 is 10 skeet, so it's 5 of those.
You still want high or low?
Yeah.
I got high.
4. That's it.
Hi.
Hey, we want to see one. We want to see one.
Hey, there he was. I could tell by looking at it. Ooh.
You ready for this?
Hey, I'm giving you the action shot, boy.
Pull.
1, uno.
Pull.
That'd be a big old double Rio.
Pull. Pull.
Ooh, no doubt.
Pull.
Hey, well, listen. Your wad went right through the center of the busted clay.
Pull.
Dust.
Pull.
Yeah, this is Madison Green and Brandon Whitehead. They're Quack Chasers Outdoors pro staffers.
Pull.
Quack Chasers chasing the clackers. Damn. God. Goodness.
Pull.
Ooh. Hey, give me some, brother.
Look at
Fetch. There you go. Good. Come on.
Hey. That is wrong, boy. Yeah. Hey, come on. Hey. Sit.
Ooh. Little double misser.
All right, guys, so as y'all can see, we all had a really big time yesterday. For the most part, everybody shot well. We did so it's a 2-man team, 102 skeet per team. So you can, at the best you can shoot is 51 skeet per person. So everybody shot pretty well. Me and my partner missed 8 skeet total, and we still come up tied for 3rd place. And we ended up shooting for 3rd place in the dark in front of headlights. I couldn't get that footage because it was so dark and I'm on GoPros, but you know, we scratched out, ended up in 4th place, but still had a big time. I believe 1st place was, you know, a couple of guys out of Garnersville, Alabama. They shot really well. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys really enjoyed the footage.